Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make ham, mac and cheese. Probably not in the same video because it's the holidays, y'all, and we getting ready to make some food. And I think in this video I'm just gonna be showing y'all how to make ham. So let's get into it. And before we do not forget to get y'all cookbooks. They are on Amazon. You can search my name or you can search the title of the book. Y'all know the routine on this one, okay? Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I really only use 3 ingredients for my ham, y'all. I use any kind of beer, usually like Corona, Budweiser, or Dos Equis or something like that. And I just pour it over the whole top of the ham, y'all. And then I refill it with just water and just pour it at the bottom, okay? You don't want to pour the water over the top, obviously, because you don't want to pour off the beer that you just poured on there, y'all. And then I just use ground cloves and just pour it over the top. Now this is, sprinkle it over the top. This is going to give it like the sweet that I like, but not too much. Like I don't like glazed ham or honey and all of that. And certainly not no pineapples on my ham. Absolutely not. And if y'all worried about the beer or the alcohol, don't worry. It will cook off once it goes in the oven. Trust me, it's not going to be alcoholic. It's safe for kids, okay? So I like to put a piece of foil over the top of the ham and just kind of hug the ham. And then 2 more pieces just to like cover the whole pan, okay? Because you want to make sure that it's airtight. You don't want no holes or you don't want none of that steam to come out because you want to make your ham as tender as possible. Then we're going to preheat the oven to 350 and then put it in the oven for 4 hours. Now, I did come back after 2 hours just to kind of baste it and flip it over. I normally don't baste my ham, but why not? I'm just doing it this time, okay? So I just put a little of the juice on the top, and that's pretty much it. Going back in the oven for the rest of the 2 hours. And then you're going to take it out and you're going to carve it however you want to carve it, y'all. Like you can see right here, it's still upside down. So what I do is just baste it a little bit more. And then you can see like how juicy it's going to be. So then I just flip it over and this is how it comes out, y'all. And I usually just cut it up into small pieces or whatever and put it in my crock pot to keep it warm with some of the juices. And this is how we cutting it up. This is how it came out, y'all. Super juicy. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.